Are you snoring loudly at night? This might not be just annoyance to your partner. This can be something really dangerous. Hi, this is Dr. Debayan Tarafdar. I'm an ENT and head neck surgeon working in Kolkata. And today I'm going to tell you three signs that your snoring is actually sleep apnea. 1. Your partner says that you stop breathing during sleep and suddenly you gasp for air. 2. No matter how long you sleep for 7 hours, 8 hours, or 9 hours you feel tired and exhausted throughout the day, even sleepy at daytime. 3. You wake up with an headache, throat being dry and sore. If you have these three signs, you might be having sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a very dangerous disease which can cause hypertension, diabetes, stroke, even heart attack. So don't take snoring lightly. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family.